found this at Walmart, and it's a pallet sign. So the first thing I'm going to do is take the tags off the front and the back, and then I'm going to get painting. I decided to use metallic paints for this, and this is called Duchess Rose and Queen's Emerald, but any green or red will work. I just have a thing for metallics. So I'm going to get busy painting, and we'll be back when I'm done. Okay, it only took one coat, and I painted the back of it as well as the front in the red and green, and I left this staple on. I don't know if you can see, but it is raised so that if I decide to put a hanger on it to hang it on the wall, I can, or if it goes into something, I can. But there's the front. And it's all painted, and I'm amazed it only took one coat. So the next thing I'm going to do is get out my Sharpies. And I'm going to use silver and gold. And I'm just going to write in some cute little sayings for each one. That's a little hard to see. I think I might have to do it over in black. Didn't really want to do it in black, but oh, that's better. At least you can read it. And it dawned on me that I have a white paint pen. This is by Sharpie. So I'm going to give that a try. And if not, I can always go over it. I'm not real happy with this paint pen. I guess you can tell it's the first time I've used this. I guess it's going to have to dry before it lets me fill it in. You know, although it does stand out like crazy, this is a little more work than I really wanted to do. It's going to take a while to dry, I can see that. Well, it's showing up a little better. Yeah, the gold's not showing up very well either. I think I'm just going to leave it black, and as soon as this dries, fill this in. We'll be back. Okay, I got irritated and I got out the white paint. But I think with a little bit of touch up here and there after everything dries, it'll be just about perfect. And this is easy enough to do your own. This is just some ideas. And if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.